What am I doing? I am preparing for a podcast guest to come in 20 minutes.
Okay.
I am working on some HR stuff with some employee changes, setting up a new LinkedIn page for a podcast. Guest today is, I'm actually pretty excited. I've only had a quick chat with him, but he is a former Special Forces guy from the military who is now in cybersecurity.
Well,
should be fun conversation.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Good stuff. The office is coming together.
Yeah, we have yet to, but we will have to film some new content over here soon.
Yeah.
Although I think I still might put a whiteboard on the wall because we plan to do some more teaching and instructing, and I think the board will be helpful.
Business manager at Red Bull Media and Red Bull. That sounds amazing.
Literally, the only thing that kind of comes to mind for me is it almost feels like the sound effects could come down just a little bit, 10, 15, 20% volume wise on sound effects. It's this middle section starts to sound a little bit cluttery. Okay. I think. Sweet.
All right.
Looks good.
What's up, Phil?
Thanks, Phil.
Let's go, Phil.
No, seriously, Phil.
You're required to do.
He already got me this morning.
We're gonna do that a lot more now. Everybody's gonna be in it.
Everyone?
Everyone's gonna be in it at some,
How am I gonna be
some
in
level. How are you?
Yeah, how am I gonna be in it?
You'll have to do what the
I'll
other,
have to give the camera to DJ.
or you're gonna just have to do what the other videographers do. That you'll have to turn it around and look at it.
Oh, like vlog style.
Yeah.
I'll need the wide
And I'll
lens for
have
that.
some of the conversation. I'll turn around and talk back to you, and then you'll have to
Okay.
point and show yourself.
I like it.
Yeah.
So what do you usually do to prep for podcasts?
So prepping always comes down to making sure the cameras are loaded, the settings are synced, audio's adjusted, and then we have our accent lights set and stored.
So those little details that make it look
You know,
so amazing.
it's that little extra
It's a little extra.
that makes it extraordinary, you
That's
know?
right. I get what you're saying. How many cameras here?
So we got 5 cameras.
5?
We got 5. We got 2 over the shoulders,
Okay.
and 1 wide, and then we have a medium close-up shot of each.
Digging into different interesting professionals from different backgrounds and really honing in on their stories and lessons learned, and then getting into what they do, some, around that topic a bit. Spans further.
Okay, great. Yeah, that's good. Hopefully I can leave the audience with some actionable takeaways, and look forward to diving in here.
How the outcome is unless we tried it. I was like, look, I think you should buy a booth at our conference.
What'd they say?
And they said, we just have to figure out, we only have so many bullets and we don't know where to shoot them. And I said, well, you know what? I'm going to tell you a quote that I use all the time.
The Wayne Gretzky.
You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. If you don't show up, you won't know if it would have been good.
If I kind of look at what's happening on the outside, the companies that are looking to,
the improvements we've seen of the quality of mobile and slam-based, that is pretty exciting.
another piece of technology which has a lot of eyeballs right now, and there's still people testing of like, okay, where is it just visual, but where does it maybe actually fall in for geospatial community, is also looking at things like Gaussian splats and radiance fields.
Okay, what's your name?
Yeah.
I'm Kylie.
And what do you do?
Okay, wait, hold on. Let me start it out. Should I say it all in one?
I mean, we
Yes.
can get another.
Okay.
And that broke, so there's no way.
Oh. Can it hear me though?
Yes, I can hear you. That's why there's a giant microphone on top of my camera right now.
Do you guys hear how he's talking to me?
Fairly
This is normal.
This is normal. Okay. Okay.
But I don't.
I'm so awkward in front of a camera.
Okay. Not as good as me.
Oh. Just crazy. Just crazy.
Okay, you're a little close. Yep. Ellis, you look like you were going to the Antarctic.
Damn right. See? Okay, good. Mission accomplished. See? You got it.
He understood these signs.
Look at these props.
The question is if it looks... I feel like without the shades, it's a try-hard attempt that doesn't quite satisfy the humor tier.
Uh-huh.
And that the shades take it to the next degree that we would need to warrant the whole get-up. Whereas I could just... Oh my god, I'm already sweating.
I was about to say, dude, I'd be so hot in that right now.
When you
I
see...
had to take off my jacket.
So do you look at like the first line, DJ? So like that's what like it's this whole meta humor where I'm basically perishing throughout the. I feel like my dad. Total dad move. No, this isn't gonna work. What's up, recappers? Ellis here. Things get Arctic today with a recap that cover. Oh well, sun's gone for the next 4 months. Don't need those. Oh, okay. What's up, recappers? Ellis here, hoping it's not Heatstroke 1, me 0 in the next 10 minutes. We're getting Arctic today with the recap featuring drone mapping, machine learning, disaster response, search and rescue, and shoddy GPS coverage in environments that make the Revenant feel like the Bora Bora Four Seasons.